Hello again. Today I demonstrate Galaxy Invasion for the Radioshack TRS-80 by Big 5 software. Made in 1980, it came a year after the arcade hit Galaxian and is a good clone of it given the hardware restrictions of the TRS-80. I believe you get quite a few extra points if you hit the mothership thing. You'll notice across TRS-80 games made by Big 5, that the mothership is a predominant feature in most of them, including robot attack. If you wait for so long, it appears and it can't be killed. Gotcha. See, 1500. Ooh. Yes. Pass. Oh. Gotcha. Well. Oh. How's that? Alien scum. Hey. Haha. You twats. Fucking bring it on. Fuck you. Oh yeah, twat. Flagship attack? Oh, that's all we need. What the bollocks? Ooh. Tricky. Gotcha. It is a good game. It's a good version of Galaxian. You know, I suppose if you were like me in 1985, bollocks, stuck with a TRS-80 and your black and white graphics, this was as good as any way to play Galaxian. Have that. Oh. There we go. This is where I die. my arse. Not bad. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.